So what I have in front of me is the Toms of Maine Anti-Black and Whitening Fluoride-free natural toothpaste with the scent and the smell and the taste of peppermint. Okay, so first off, fluoride. I've heard bad things, I've heard good things. I just kind of slapped my hands and clapped them together and just threw them up in the air. Like I really did that. Clapped my hands and threw them up in the air because I was kind of like, okay, this is too much going on. So, but I bought this toothpaste for some time now. I've been using Tom's toothpaste for like over a year and some months now. So I really don't have any complaints. I was just kind of like, okay, fluoride, what do you really do? But at the time, I kind of wanted to try something without fluoride because the toothpaste I have used in the past was with fluoride. So I kind of wanted to see if there was like a difference between fluoride and non-fluoride. The only thing that I can really say is a different wise to me. Maybe it's because of the brand, but this toothpaste leaves my mouth feeling fresher. And the mintiness, I guess that's what it has to do with the peppermint. That freshness lingers on. Like you just feel fresh. Like your mouth just feels. I mean, you should feel that way with any toothpaste, but I don't know why this one I just feel like a longer freshness going on in my mouth when I use this toothpaste. But yeah, with fluoride, I've heard that it's supposed to stain your teeth, makes it yellow, it's in cleaning products, it's bad, it's chemicals that's just horrible for you. Then I heard good things. Fluoride is supposed to be part of your daily routine and it controls the acid in your mouth. So I'm just like, whatever. Anyway, I've seen some Tom's toothpaste with fluoride, so I don't know if it's all that bad, but the main thing why I bought this toothpaste is that it's because it is natural. Okay. Alright. So these ingredients. Now, it is in the back of the product. And you can also always do further research. But I'm just going to kind of give the breakdown of what I've seen and what's it supposed to be for and all that good stuff. So, oh, bear with me because these words, Lord. Okay. Lord have mercy. Okay. Calcium carbonate. It's purified calcium from the earth and is mild depressive. Glycerin is moisturizing. Okay. Vegetable oils. Water consistency, of course. Xylitol. Sweetener derived from birch trees or corn. Hydrated silica. Consistency, purified silica from the earth. Natural flavor, which, natural flavors. Sodium lauryl sulfate. Derived from coconut and or palm kernel oil. Zinc citrate. Freshens breath, derived from purified zinc from the earth. Carrageen, thickener, and seaweed. I guess it makes the toothpaste thick or something. I don't know. Don't get me lying. Sodium bicarbonate. Yeah, bicarbonate. Okay. Sorry if I kind of say. I'm just trying to make sure I get these and pronounce these words thoroughly. Then it's mild freshness. Okay, and purified sodium bicarbonate from the earth. Oh my goodness, that was okay. Anyway, another thing about this toothpaste is that it doesn't really leave like a messy, I don't know, like it's not messy as other toothpaste that I've dealt with. Like when you're using it, it's not a lot of product that comes out in just one dispersive, that makes sense. Like if I'm using it and a whole bunch of product come out of my toothpaste, not this one, it comes out smoothly. It's white, so it's not like really messy, you know. Okay, there we go. I was gonna say, not wasting some product. Okay, and since it's Antiplaque and Whitening, it whitens your teeth from removing surface stains and uses just natural and authentic ingredients in it. I'm sorry. Have I seen a difference? I don't know. I do brush my teeth twice a day, so I have seen a difference because I tend to drink lemon water, and you know how with the acid says it's supposed to like make your teeth kind of like whatever, but normally I brush it like right after I do that, so with the acid. But I really don't have any complaints with this toothpaste. The only thing I'll probably recommend is like just do some further research. There is a history of behind the Toms of Maine, which I will talk about in another video. Will I continue on using it? Yeah, I mean, I've been using this for over years and months. I don't have any complaints. They do have another whitening toothpaste, I will say that. I forgot what it's called, but it has a bee on it. I think it's used with beeswax or something like that on it. I tried that before too, and it works amazing. I actually love it, but it was sold out, so I had to go back to this bad boy, and it was cheap, so cheaper. Oh my gosh. Again, this is the Toms of Maine Antiplaque and Whitening Fluoride-free peppermint natural toothpaste.